Looking to protect your Hyundai Tucson seats and give your interior a sleek new look? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the best seat covers for the Hyundai Tucson, whether you want luxury, durability, or everyday comfort. Let's find the perfect fit for your ride. At number 5, we have the DISUTOGO leather seat covers, an impressive blend of style, comfort, and protection tailored specifically for Hyundai Tucson models from 2010 to 2025. These covers are crafted from high-quality faux leather that's soft to the touch, durable, waterproof, and breathable thanks to delicately perforated panels. With a high-rebound sponge in the center, they provide extra cushioning for a more comfortable ride, while the non-slip fabric underneath keeps everything securely in place. They're also designed with safety in mind, leaving room for side airbags and seat belts to function without interference. The full 360-degree surround design means your seats and headrests are completely protected and look factory installed, blending seamlessly into your Tucson's interior. While installation may take a little effort, the end result is well worth it. Your cabin will not only look better but feel better too. Coming in at number 4 is the Giomoxy leather seat covers, a full set designed to fit Hyundai Tucson models from 2010 to 2025. Made from high-grade artificial leather, these covers are not only waterproof and dustproof but also resistant to wear, making them ideal for protecting your seats from spills, pet hair, and even UV damage. The 360 degrees full wrap design ensures comprehensive coverage, with folded edge corners for added durability and a sleek, tailored look. The 3D flank contour hugs your back just right, offering better lateral support and helping to relieve pressure on long drives. These covers are also airbag compatible and use a single-thread sewing method to ensure safety without compromising design. While some may find the fit a bit loose depending on their Tucson model, the overall quality, comfort, and ease of cleaning make these a stylish and practical upgrade for your SUV's interior. At number 3, we have the Coverdream Leather seat covers, custom designed specifically for Hyundai Tucson models from 2022 to 2025. These covers are all about precision and protection, featuring original style stitching, reinforced edge piping, durable buckles and zippers, and a hidden airbag cutout that ensures safety without compromising design. With a 360 degrees full wrap that fits like a glove, they're tailored to match your Tucson's exact seat dimensions, accommodating seat controls, heating functions, and latch systems seamlessly. The set includes covers for the front and rear seats, as well as headrest covers, offering full interior coverage. Installation takes a bit of effort, but the result is worth it. These seat covers look factory installed, feel incredibly comfortable, and are super easy to clean. If you're looking for a solid mix of style, comfort, and great value for money, Coverdream delivers in every way. At number 2, we've got the EKR Car Seat Covers, a premium option tailored for select Hyundai Tucson petrol models from 2022 to 2025. These seat covers boast a durable 4-layer construction featuring foam padding and a protective polyester shell, topped with a high-quality leatherette surface that's breathable, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Designed to mimic the look of factory seats, the detailed stitching, sturdy buckles, and zippers ensure a secure, snug fit that stays in place. The custom tailoring means these covers hug every curve of your original seats, providing full protection from stains, spills, and everyday wear. Many owners say they look and feel like genuine leather seats that came straight from the factory, tight, sleek, and refined. If you're looking for that factory upgrade feel with added protection and comfort, EKR delivers with impressive precision and quality. And at number 1, we have the Coverado leather seat covers, an outstanding upgrade that brings luxury, comfort, and protection together in one sleek package. Designed with precision 3D modeling and crafted from premium Napa leather, these covers don't just protect your Hyundai Tucson seats, they elevate the entire interior with a stylish, high-end feel. The material is soft, breathable, waterproof, and built to resist fading, offering long-lasting durability and an exceptional touch. With built-in lumbar support and separate headrest covers, they ensure both comfort and adjustability, all while maintaining full access to airbags, seat belts, armrests, and seat controls. Easy to install with a bit of effort, these covers are not only practical but also a serious visual upgrade. If you want your Tucson to feel like a luxury SUV inside and out, the Coverado seat covers are hands down the top choice.